In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money Sendwave to GCash. First, open the Sendwave app. If you already have an account, log in. If you're new, tap sign up and create one. Enter your full name, then type in your email address. You'll also be asked for your mobile number and any other details shown on the screen, so make sure everything is accurate and formatted correctly. When you're done, tap sign up to continue. Now check your inbox for a verification message from Sendwave. If you're prompted in the app, choose Verify Email instead to complete that step. Once your email is verified, return to the app, enter your email address and password, and tap Log In. You should now land on the home screen. If the person you're sending to is already saved, tap Add next to their name, then tap Next. If not, choose Add New Recipient. Select the recipient's country, then choose the payment method that corresponds to GCash. Enter the recipient's full name and mobile number exactly as they appear on their GCash account to avoid delays. Fill in the recipient address section with the requested details, then tap Save. Select your GCash recipient and tap Continue to Send. At this point, you may be asked to verify your email again. Complete that verification and tap Take me to the app to return. Next, enter your payment method details. Follow the prompts carefully and tap Next. Review everything on the summary screen and tap Continue. You'll be asked for your legal name and date of birth. Enter them exactly as they appear on your government ID, then tap Finish. For identity verification, choose driver's license when prompted. Select your country, confirm that your card is readable, and make sure the photo is clear, well lit, and not cropped. When everything looks good, tap Submit Verification. Some verifications are instant, while others may take a short time. Once verification is complete and you're back in the app, tap Confirm Transfer to finalize. Keep the app open until you see the confirmation screen. It's a good idea to save or screenshot the receipt for your records and to let your recipient know to check their GCash balance. A few tips as you go. The recipient name and number must match their GCash account to prevent failed transfers. Double check the country and payment method, and be mindful of fees, limits, and exchange rates shown in the app. If something doesn't look right, back up a screen and correct it before confirming. That's it. Your money is on its way from Sendwave to GCash.